In this video, I'll guide you through how to share or resend a Honeybook invoice. Whether you need to remind a client about an outstanding payment or simply resend an invoice for their records, these steps will help you do that efficiently. First, you'll want to navigate to your Projects tab. This is your hub for all client interactions and project details, so it's the perfect starting point for managing any invoicing tasks. Once you're there, you'll need to select the specific client whose invoice you wish to share or resend. This ensures you're working within the right project and keeps everything organized. After selecting the client, the next thing you'll do is locate the file. Head over to the Files tab within the project. Here, you'll find all the documents associated with this particular client, including the smart file containing the invoice you're looking to resend. The smart file is a versatile tool that can include contracts, invoices, and other essential documents, making it a vital part of managing client interactions in Honeybook. Once you've found the smart file with the invoice, it's time to click Resend. To do this, hover over the file until you see the option to resend. If you prefer, you can also click directly into the file. This will give you a closer look at its contents, and from there, you can select Next Review Email. This step is crucial as it allows you to ensure that everything is set correctly before sending it out to your client. It's always a good idea to double check the details to avoid any mistakes or discrepancies in the information presented. As you review the email, take a moment to personalize it if necessary. Adding a personal touch can go a long way in maintaining a strong client relationship. Whether it's a friendly reminder or a courteous note, making the email feel personalized can improve your communication and client rapport. And there you have it. These simple steps will help you effectively share or resend an invoice through Honeybook, ensuring your clients have all the information they need. Keeping the invoicing process smooth and straightforward not only helps with prompt payments, but also enhances your professional image. Remember, good communication is key in any business relationship, and Honeybook provides the tools to facilitate that seamlessly. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful for your invoicing needs. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Happy invoicing!